Mga santo ng PBA, no? Alvarez!
Ang hirap na tira!
Hulog ang marami sa upuan.
Nakataas pa yung paa eh. Reminds me of Clyde Drexler.
But of course, Alvarez once scored 71 points dito po sa PBA.
Dito kay Mr. Excitement.
Watch it again. Look how high Mr. Excitement can go.
Uy! Lumusot sa buong Alvarez at pinaktak ang bola. Nakapag-ibig by.
Ang tipong Alvarez. Batin dito. Yun. May kasama lambitin pa yun.
8 seconds shot clock. Umatake si Alvarez. And what a break! At nabuhay yung buong Cuneta. Panonorin natin sa ating screen.
On the accelerator. Hey, look at Tarzan. Bong Alvarez certainly looked like the bullet.
That's right. Hanging by the rope yun. Ay, ganda na naman ang pasa kay Bong. Dalawang sunod. Kabaktak si Bong Alvarez. Mr. Excitement. Naglagang bola kay EJ File. Bubble. Supal-pal ang inabot. EJ File. Si Alvarez. Supal-pal na naman si Luxig. Huli na naman. What defense? Pinakita si Alvarez. Bong Alvarez with the shot block. Save the also Brazil. Agad na si Alvarez. Chinones ni Bong Alvarez. Linangka ni Alvarez. Na-save nung kasama niya. Si Alvarez tumatakbo na and all the way. Nalipas si Alvarez! Dunks it! The pass to Paul Alvarez. He goes up, dunks it.
Kita mo yung kanyang commitment, ano?
Oh, yung pagkahilig niya sa basketball. At dito, nag-i-enjoy siya although he never found it sa may baseline. Sa kabilang highlight nila. First field goal of San Miguel Beer dito. And it came on
San Miguel, Alvarez! At kung makikita man natin sa replay yan, ito yan Rado eh. Oh.
may trophy din yung third place eh.
Meron. Oy, nako, Alvarez na naman.
Yan ang pang-trophy kilos. Nakita ko naman talaga itong Alvarez sa Itono tandem na to. Pag pinagsabay mamaya, ipakikita natin.
Redeems himself with a nice tap to Bong Alvarez.
Clyde reminds me of Clyde Drexler who the Portland Trail Blazers.
Alvarez. Oh! A possible three-point play for Bong Alvarez.
Umatake si Alvarez. Dito. Ito pinapanggit natin. You cannot allow the San Miguel Firma to play open court. Maraming puhunan na ng Ginebra. Ito si Alvarez. Fourth at slam. At what a way to finish.
San Miguel. Alvarez. Pinaikot-ikot. Looking for Bong Alvarez during the fourth quarter.
Ito naman ang pasa sa ilalim. Bong Alvarez. No look shot. At saka ilag-ilag pa. May plano pumunta dyan sa may Quiapo. Baka magdasal na lang muna sa bahay. Maiintindihan naman tayo ng dasal na ito. Samantala, dumaan sa depensa si Paul Alvarez. Dinaanan si Marlo Aquino and a 3-point play opportunity. Nandito si Pumarin binigay kay Alvarez. Alvarez lumipad. Ginamit ang banda.
To eat up the defense of Jason Webb. Bumamba, pumasok naman.
At hindi naaabot ang Santa Lucia. Siyam na lang.
Bigay kay Bong Alvarez para sa kanyang nakaka-excite na buzzer beater layup.
Instead of referee's whistle. Oh. Look at this. Isolated moment of brilliance there for the young ones.
Yes, will lose it. Finally to Alvarez, who is streaking down and laying up and converting.
There was no way Harris was going to come up with a defensive stance there.
Has not scored in the game.
In fact, I think he's only had one shot because they've done a real good job of denying him the ball, but that time we've got a three-point play there.
For Bong Alvarez.
High-flying Bong Alvarez.
Alvarez is streaking down, gets three, he lays up and he converts it. And that'll be his 20th point of the ballgame.
Differential eh. Binigay na lang ni Benji kay Paul. Umupo na naman sa air.
It's a 9 and 3-point lead for Swift underneath Bong Alvarez.
Sa kasalukuyan, Alan Kaidig binigay kay Bong Alvarez. Lumipad si Bong Alvarez. Si Rookie. Watch that play again from another angle. Talagang hiniinan ni Bong Alvarez si Mark Morelos.
Guzman completed by Alvarez.
And that will be the third foul on Harris.
Oh yes. Bit of second motion.
Tama ka rin, pero mabilis din sa transition itong mga taga-Santa Lucia. Pero ang hirap pigilin itong si Bong Alvarez.
Oh, yes, what a pass. Can Alvarez complete it? Yes! Alam mo, magkapatid sila, no? Dahil medyo ngayon lang sila snap, but he was able to get it back.
for the game. Bong Alvarez. A lot of power.
A round of applause for Mr. Excitement, Bong Alvarez. Alvarez will get 5,000.
Dito magalawin ang bola kanila ito.
Oh, yes! May foul pa si De La Rosa. And San Miguel is very much in the thick of this ball game.
Pinagtyagaan ni Bong Alvarez yan, Randy. Tinignan niya muna yung court.
Alvarez, who's going to make the effort. Yes, sir.
Grabe, parang sahod ulan ng tres dito. Alvarez naman! Walang hinta-hunto naman sa may reverse.
Hey, binawi. Alvarez laban kay Agustin. Harangan mo ko, partner.
At ito pang si Bong Alvarez talagang tumatapos ng mga layup. Talagang isusubo na nito. Tatlong turnover, tikit. Tinapos ni Alvarez.
And again, the key figure for Santa Lucia has been Jerry Esplana. Rick Marata has not been able to step into the shoes of Jerry Esplana.
Ito mga kaibigan, ang final seconds ng ating ball game si Alvarez. Sa isang step na meron sila yung kanilang 3-point shooting. At as we see this layup.
Free throw shooting. That shot won't work. Rebound. Alvarez! Who just really operates well on the inside. Sa kasalat sa traffic shot lang kumakawa sa G's. Duck ni Alvarez. Jump shot.
Inside pass, Alvarez. At dali-dali ng basketball sa San Miguel na yung araw na ito.
Well, wala talagang
Ito, kaagad yun. Itong pitong huli ang naubos.
bola Alvarez. Nilagay ang bola sa labi ng
A lot of time. 17 on the shot clock. Alvarez will sky over again at the championship.
No, actually, it looked like the magic number of wins would be 12 here.
I-affiliate dyan sa may Bira Katanduan
Marami tayong kaibigan dyan sa Bira Katanduan Dalawang turnover, sunod-sunod. Bong Alvarez na naman.
Yun ang sinasabi natin yung iba, nag-aabang na ng second conference as we see a drive by Paul Alvarez.
Three, not this time. And the ball tapped to Alvarez. And the equalizer, 87 all.
Sick of him.
Oh, yung mga tugma doon. Samantala si Bong Alvarez. Talagang Alvarez, ang pihit niya. Pasok ang kanyang pabanda. Ang
Labagan ni Eric Reyes, napunta kay Alvarez.
Finally, si Bong Alvarez. Ito talaga yung gusto nito si Bong Alvarez pag nagsisi.
Will be key in this ball game as well as team rebounding, Jimmy.
So, Tony Harris opened the scoring and Bong Alvarez first deadline.
1995 season of the PBA. Undergo stab! Si Alvarez talaga, every time he comes in. That completes the heist. Quickly to Travis. Over to Mr. Excitement.
Sa PBA high in terms of scoring. 71 points
1990
in one ball game. Can you still recall what happened dun sa laro na yon? And sino yung...
Hindi ko na malaya na na actually third quarter, kinausap ako ni Boss Waki Trillo, siya ang team manager namin that time. Sabi sa akin ganun, Bong, nakaka 50 plus ka na. Sabi ko, ganun ba? Hindi ko naman iniisip kasi dahil gusto ko lang manalo, kailangan namin manalo kalaban namin, Ciel Bantay ko pa si Bobby Parks, so kailangan namin manalo nung game na yun, kaya laro lang ako ng laro. So, doon na pala ako sa 50 points. Kaya nung fourth quarter, ayun na. Sila na mismo, gusto nila bigay na sa akin yung bola kasi gusto nila kasi ang record that time, 68.
Kaya Alan kay Dick.
So gusto nila ma-break kasi 55 na ako ng third quarter, 50 plus na So gusto nila ma-break yung record, kaya yun. Kaya umabot ng 70 plus nga, 71. Nung tanda ko pa, April 26, 1990, nung gumawa ko ng 71.